Step into the 2009 GMC Sierra 1500 work truck. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include power steering, rear seat center armrest, passenger door bin, 4WD, vinyl seat trim, ABS brakes, and tachometer. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.